Hi, Mike Dirks here, founder of TrueConnect, and we're diving into another feature in the CRM, and that is the events feature. So what's great about TrueConnect, as you've heard me say many times, is it's all about building relationships. It's about simplicity and building authentic relationships, because that's the real value of your business, is how authentic and how meaningful are the relationships that you have with the people in your sphere and in your business. So how do we build those relationships? Well, what about getting face to face with people and going to events? That has always been something that realtors who have successful businesses over the years, they've done with clients. And we see these realtors, they're all around us. They've got great connections with people because they spend time with them. And so we wanted to build that into the CRM. We don't want the CRM to just be about online leads or getting leads. We want it to be about really strengthening the relationships with past clients and colleagues and people in our sphere. So events, let's talk a bit more about that. It's on the left-hand menu bar here. When I click it, it will open up. And what's neat about it is, first of all, I can simply create an event, whatever it might be. I can actually create that if I have an idea in my head. But let's say you don't have an idea in your head. I click generate ideas, and then the AI is actually going to go and do a search online, and it is going to find events that are coming up in the future, in the next month or two. And it will tell you what those events are right here. So I just generated ideas. It pulled up two. Sometimes it'll pull up more, like 3, 4, 5, or 6. And now, of course, you can go and Google events if you want, but you are in your CRM. You're thinking about your clients. So this is built right in. So I can now look at this event, Vancouver International Jazz Festival. That might be fun to invite some clients to. So I can plan to attend. I can click plan to attend, and I can, the description's in there, the date and time, and there's an event URL, and I can invite contacts. So I can search contacts and I can invite them and so on. And then I can just click create event. So that's going to be real local events to attend. Then below that, you're going to have a category here where this is going to be ideas that the AI has come up with for you to host yourself. So for example, here's some examples: Vancouver Skyline Picnic, culinary tour and home cooking class, mystery house hunt, luxury staycation experience, art and architecture evening. So you can read the description of some of these, arrange a private guided tour of a local art gallery, followed by a discussion on the intersections of art and real estate. This cultural experience, and on it goes. So you could click plan this event, and you're going to see the full description here. You can set a date and time, and you can invite contacts. So once again, this will come up with some ideas for you. Maybe you're not the best with coming up with ideas. And of course, you do not need to use any of these if you don't like them. But the AI that's built into the system will come up with these ideas for you to help you be a relationship-focused realtor. And at the bottom, you're going to see upcoming events. So if you have planned the event and it's coming up, you can see, for example, Peony Fair and Summer Nights, the concerts, and also the Vancouver National Wine Film Festival. Maybe I'm inviting clients to those, and it's going to show me down at the bottom. And if I do invite clients, of course, it's going to add that event to that client's timeline as well. So that is another really neat function built right into the CRM that you're not going to see in other traditional CRMs in the real estate industry, designed to help you build better relationships.